What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the AOC Secret Archives Keycard on the brand new airport map. Now, for this one, you'll need to make your way into the main building in the center of the map. You'll need to use one of the 3 entrances, and of course it'll announce to the map when you're actually opening these. Once you're inside of the main control tower area on the first floor, for which there's multiple entrances, I used this one right over here. I was along this path and hopped in right here through the hole in the wall, which placed me right in this small room. I was able to walk around and into this back room here, where this one is the locked room that we're going to be investigating. Now, something important to note about this key is that in order to actually access this room here, these 2 doors leading to this upper ring will actually be locked when the game starts. Even if you blow through the wall here and enter, these 2 doors will be locked and you won't be able to access this room here. Instead, what you'll need to do is you'll need to find 3 different items, or rather, just 2 of them. These little yellow books, which you can find on tables, have a letter and a number. Head upstairs and into the observation room. From here, we'll need to open this door, and inside of here, immediately in front of us is an access terminal. It'll give you 3 letters for which you need to type 3 numbers. As long as you've got 2 letters and 2 numbers, it's really simple to just guess the last one, as you've only got 10 different options you can choose. You can try as many times as you want, though brute forcing the entire code is obviously 1,000 different possibilities, and if you've only got 1 code book, it's 100, so it's definitely not the best. Once you've got 2 letters to numbers in these little code books, it should be very simple to open up this door. Quite surprising, it's a brand new feature. Once you've eventually punched in the right code, the 2 doors will unlock, giving you access to an electronic safe in the center at the back, and also access to the room where you can now use your keycard. You will need the most expensive keycard on this map, and you'll need to do this puzzle first. However, the loot in this room is always more than worth it. Just use your keycard here, and you've gained access to this small but valuable room. Inside of it, we've got some general loose loot on the table, and some bulletproof glass to see what's happening outside, as well as immediately in front of us and to our right, 2 safes, as well as some more valuable loose loot. Checking this first one further away from us, these items are actually fantastic. And of course, the second safe to our right, we're hoping for even better items. This one's an electronic safe and could be big. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Absolutely huge items pulled out of this. That's a key that I'm most definitely happy bringing many more times. Now, I unfortunately don't have enough space to get everything out of here, but this room's been fantastic so far with just the 2 safes. Finally, a dock box by the exit here, and this one a little disappointing, but there you go. An absolutely massive room that's definitely worthwhile checking if you have the keycard, though it is one of the more expensive ones. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.